gears in a machine. And the machine only works when we all show up ready to play our part together. But we want to make sure that you guys know we're proud.
When we see and appreciate the other gears, we do our work better, and that's what builds trust.
They can have a peace of mind and they can move on with the rest of their life.
You always own the power of your response.
Redefine!
Redefine!
Redefine this year was unifying.
Memorable.
Eye-opening.
Redefine this year was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.